This tutorial is going to show you how to make the first round of the You're a Daisy If You Do crochet baby blanket. We're starting with yellow for the middle, and I'm working with my 5mm crochet hook. We're going to start with a magic ring. So go ahead and make your magic ring however you want. If you don't know how to make a magic ring, I have a tutorial that I have also posted that will show you in depth and slow and up close how to do the magic ring. I have my magic ring here, and I'm going to chain 2. 1, 2. This chain 2 is going to count as our first double crochet. After this, we're going to put 11 more double crochets into the magic ring. If you don't know how to make a double crochet, you can also go find that tutorial on my page. This is 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now my ring is getting kind of big and my tail's getting kind of short, so I'm going to pull that tail a little bit, not all the way, just to shorten it up and make sure I don't lose my tail. So I have 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. So now I have all 12 of my double crochets in my magic ring. My magic ring is open, and we're going to do the magical part of it, which is take the tail and pull it tight. And what that does is it closes up your magic ring. So now we're going to end the first round, and in our second round we're going to be working with a different color. So we need to slip stitch to close the magic ring up and end our first round, and then we're going to fasten off. So for me, we did, or for not just for me, you did it too. We chained 2, and that was our first double crochet. So we're going to go into the top of the chain 2. Make sure you grab both of those strands of yarn. Don't just grab one. Go under both of them. Okay. Now we're going to yarn over and pull through to do a slip stitch, and then pull through again the loop. And that's it. That's the beginning of round 1. When you're done with that, you're going to leave a little bit of length of yarn, and you're going to cut it. We're going to pull that through just a little bit to make it bigger and easier, and then we're going to take our tail, pull it through the loop, and we're going to tie the knot to secure it. Okay? And that's it. That's the end of round 1. We have 2 strands. Our circle is closed and tight. There you go.